Hi, this is Karen from Chat2. It's really simple to install Chat2 software on your website. Just go to the Chat2 page, chat2.com, and on the main page there, enter in your website address and click on Start My Free Trial. Then just fill out your name. Then this password here that you enter in, that's the password to be able to access your Chat2 dashboard, and then click on Checkout. Then you're presented with the installation page. So you have three options here on how to install Chat2. The first one is do it yourself option. If it's not your job, then you'd go to the second option where you would enter an email to task this to someone else, or you go to the do it for me and we can do the installation for you at no cost. So if you clicked on the do it yourself, there you have the script, the code directly on screen for you to copy and paste. And the instructions there are to copy the code and put it before the closing body tags in either the footer file if you want it throughout your whole website, or you can actually allocate each page you want that chat to appear. Of course, we also have the Chat2 WordPress plugin. So if you have a WordPress site, it's very simple to access the WordPress plugin and install Chat2 through that avenue. If you clicked on Not My Job, then you would actually enter the email of your website person who manages your website. Then you'd click a send. Then that basically gives them an email which takes them to the link, this particular page, this link, and then they would click on the do it yourself option and copy and paste the code for you. The third option is the do it for me. So here you would just, we can install the Chat2 software for you, and you just need to provide for us the URL for your login for your main website and your password and your login user details. Of course, you can change the password once we've done the install, and then just send that to us and we will have it installed for you in no time. Thanks for using Chat2.